Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to disable or turn off vibration on your iPhone completely, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Turning off vibration mode could be done via the sounds and haptics page. So the first approach is, if you want to turn off vibration mode on your iPhone, is go to settings, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and haptics. Under sounds and haptics, come to haptics, click on that, and then disable haptics by selecting never play. So once you disable haptics here, your iPhone will never vibrate. However, to turn off vibration completely on your iPhone, go back to the settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down to physical and motor and then click on touch. Then under touch, you want to scroll down, locate vibration. If vibration is enabled here, then you need to turn it off. Turning this off will prevent your iPhone from vibrating even when there is an earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. So this turned off vibration mode completely on your iPhone. So that's exactly what you need to do if you want to turn off vibration mode on your iPhone completely. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.